We're going to remove these two screws underneath the kick panel on the passenger side. This is under the glove box. Let's take that one out. Use a 7mm socket. There's two more screws further back. Use the same 7mm socket. Take those out. Got that one. There we go. Then over towards the center of the vehicle, there's one more screw right there. Use the same 7mm socket. It's a little bit tricky to get to. Now this whole panel will come down. Just slide it down and out of the way. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. This might be a little bit tricky. Slide the connector out. There's the tab. Move that to the side. Take that out. Now grab the blower motor and just slide it down. Now take the new blower motor and just slide it in the same way the old one came out. Line up the holes. That looks good. And get the screws started. Get all three started before you tighten them down. And now we'll tighten them down. And snug that down. Now take the cable, or the wire, re-secure it. For the connector on this, you're going to spin it around and it's going to plug in going straight up, just like that. And push the wire out of the way. Now take the cover and slide it in position. Get it all lined up. Now I'm going to start all the screws. I'm going to start the front ones first to get it all lined up. A little bit trickier to get those in. Now we can tighten those all down. And get the one over here, don't forget that. And you can tighten that one down as well.